we're going to do the unboxing and review of Samsung Note 10 Plus. Make sure when you buy one, the packaging should be sealed like this. Okay. And the most important thing is this one.
Authorized distributor.
The distributor tag or the distributor sticker. Do not accept if seal is broken, to make sure your product or your item is legit.
Yes.
And brand new.
Daddy, I want to open this now.
Yeah, we'll open it now. And now,
I want to open.
we receive also freebies. Actually, 5 freebies for this. We have JBL earphone, wireless earphone. Yeah.
That's it.
And we have a.
This is waterproof.
Yes, and this is a waterproof earphone. This is the normal one with wire as well. Wireless earphone.
That's the wireless.
This is a wireless earphone.
And
this is a grip holder.
Yes.
Yes. To prevent the cell phone from falling.
Like that.
Okay.
And then
Grip holder. And then another one. Power bank.
pocket.
A very important thing. One of the most important thing if you want to.
Pocket power bank.
Yeah, it's a pocket power bank. So anywhere you go, this is it's really handy, so it's easy to bring with you.
Hey, Daddy, are we done?
Yes. And the last one,
It's not included.
this is not included actually. This is a free one. So
Let's just put
another earphone for us.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll open now the Samsung Note 10.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
Open this first.
Okay. Open it. So
When you
I will remove the seal now.
Tita.
Okay.
Tita.
These are yes.
Whoa.
Alright.
Cute.
So you will still see the stickers on it. Alright.
Yeah.
The seal as well.
Yeah.
Samsung Note 10 Plus. Okay. So now we're going to open it,
And then there's a warranty, right?
and there's a warranty sticker and the registration sticker, company registered
And
sticker.
there's a tray on tail.
There's a
Yes.
1-year warranty.
Yeah. Okay. So now we will open it.
You excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay, here's the phone. As you can see. Wow, it's really nice. Okay. God bless.
From Samsung S.
From Samsung S5 and now a high jump to Samsung Note 10. Yeah, that's
After
a charger.
6 years.
Yeah, after 6 years. Yeah,
New phone now.
new phone now. It's really nice color white. With 3
Three cameras.
Look, Daddy.
Look at the difference.
Wow.
Inside you will see an earphone, of course, a charger, a wire charger, of course.
Where's the pen?
Alright. The pen is here.
Where?
Can you stay on?
And of course, as you know, Note 10. See?
Oh,
No, it's coming out.
thumbs up.
Yeah. It's really legit. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Alright, by the way, this is a 256 GB.
Wait.
As you can see here, it's 256.
256 GB.
Wait, I wanted one something.
Okay, later
Yeah.
we'll draw something. This is the Samsung Galaxy USB. Alright, so if you want to transfer from the old devices or other devices to your phone, you will use this, of course, using another USB. Okay, and this is for the extra pen. This is the pen. Okay, so as you can see, there's the tip of the pen, and there's an extra two of it. So once you want to change it, of course you may change it because you have two extras. Actually, we don't know what's inside, so we'll check. Oh, there's an extra. This is included in the package as well. So it's a cover. Alright, the clear cover.
You don't need to buy it.
So you don't need to buy a new one because it's included there. And here's the pin as well. Okay. Thank you again for watching. And we're going to use this for our vlogs, for future videos as well. We bought this during DSF, the last day of DSF, Dubai Shopping Festival.
We bought that
Yeah, we bought this for 3,499 dirhams.
Yeah, there's less 500 dirhams, right?
Yeah, less. Oh, daddy.
This is one of the previous.
This is one of the. Oh.
It's the charger, I think.
It's a tiny charger.
There we go.
There is an extra for the ear.
Tiny key. And a tiny.
There you go. Good job.
This one.
This one here, like this. For your.
Yeah.
Go. Hi. Say hi first. Say hi now.
Are you doing?
I can paint here.
Can paint.
Really?